Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2003 Honda Goldwing. Beautiful bike. I think this is called a Sapphire Blue, is what they called this, but great condition. Somebody traded it in and got something different. Just over 58,000 miles. For some of you, that will sound like a lot. For those of you that know the Honda Goldwing, know that they're a 250,000 mile bike and even more. But a lot of nice features on this bike, a lot of great things. Of course, you got a lot of buttons up here. If you had a CB, you could run a CB because you can see it's even got the antenna for it. AM/FM radio, even has a Bluetooth feature. They threw in a connectivity with a Motorola Bluetooth connector. If you have a phone, you could hook up to it and then play your music. You got speakers here, you got speakers here if you have passenger. But also with a lot of Goldwings, they've got a lot of storage. You got some little bit of room over here. This one is lockable, so you do have that ability to lock that one, throw something in there, maybe your wallet or something like that. The passenger has this couple small ones here in the back end, which is nice, something that they can grab. And then of course with all of these Goldwings, you've got the sides, you've got the back that you can throw your gears in, and that is lockable as well. So if you're doing a day trip, a longer trip like that, it is something that you could throw your stuff into and everything. But super comfortable. Got the highway pegs for those who want to go for the longer trip, but a super comfortable bike. So if you're looking for a great bike like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.